Wait, Gemini can create forms? Well, kind of. So here in the prompt window, I'm going to put in this prompt. I would like to create a Google form to have individuals sign up for items to bring to a barbecue. Hit the send button. And now Gemini is going to give me some advice on how to set up my form. It's not going to create the form for me, which I should be doing myself anyway, but it's going to give me some pointers on how to get it started. So I can have Gemini write a document that can help me to build this out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And here's the document right here. It's got all of the stuff in it that I need to build that form. So I can export this to Docs, and then I can use that information to create my Google form. And there's my doc. Now I can do a lot of copy paste, or I can go in there and actually make it more original, which I suggest that you do. All right, now I'm ready to make my form. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Gemini.